हेलो बच्चों। आज हम लोग रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट की लिखी हुई कविता पढ़ेंगे, डस्ट ऑफ स्नो। रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट इज एन अमेरिकन पोएट. He has a specialty. He has the capability to say very serious things by the use of very simple and easy phrases. In this poem, the poet wants to convince us that whenever we are suffering from depression, from sadness, from unhappiness, normally we think that there is no chance for us to get happiness. Means every time or every situation seems to be very difficult for anyone to face. But it is not a reality. If we have positive attitude, we can get happiness in complete negative condition. This is what the poem wants to convey. Let us read the poem. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. The poet is sitting under the hemlock tree. Hemlock tree is supposed to be a poisonous tree. And the poet is depressed. He is suffering from unhappiness. He is very sad. And in sad mood, he was sitting under the poisonous tree. At the same time, a crow, which is also a symbol of negativity, came and sat down on the branches of the hemlock tree and shook down the dust of snow on poet. The way a crow shook down on me means the way in which the crow shook down the snow, it falls the dust of snow from a hemlock tree, and it has given my heart a change of mood. This fall of snow has changed the mood of the poet and saved some part of a day I read. In the second stanza of the poem, Robert Frost wants to say that although the crow as well as the hemlock tree both are the symbols of negativity, but by the way, when that crow shook the branches and snow fall on the poet, it suddenly changed the mood of the poet. And in this way, the fall of snow saved the poet from being rude, means from being continuously be in the sad mood. सही बात है, यदि हम उदास होते हैं तो अच्छे में भी हमें उदासी नजर आती, चारों तरफ नेगेटिविटी नजर आती है। लेकिन इन्हीं नेगेटिव थिंग्स में कुछ अच्छाइयाँ छिपी रहती है, लेकिन हमारी नजर उस पर जाती नहीं। लेकिन नेचर हैज हीलिंग इफेक्ट, प्रकृति में एक विशेषता होती है। यदि हम प्रकृति के बीच रहते हैं तो वह हमारे सारे दर्द को हर लेते हैं। और यहाँ रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट के साथ भी वही, जबकि वे पॉइजनस ट्री के नीचे हैं और क्रो वहां आया हुआ है, जो कि दोनों इस बात का संकेत दे रहा है कि नथिंग इज गोइंग टू हैपन गुड इन हिज लाइफ, बट the sudden flow of dust of snow has changed the mood of the poet. This is what the summary is. अब बात हम लोग करते हैं इसकी राइम स्कीम क्या है। फर्स्ट संज्ञा को यदि हम देखें तो हम पाते हैं कि प्रथम सेंटेंस और थर्ड, फर्स्ट लाइन एंड थर्ड लाइन rhymes with each other, whereas the second line rhymes with the fourth line. So we can say the rhyme scheme of the first line of the poem Dust of Snow is A, B, A, B. Means first line rhymes with the third and the second line rhymes with the fourth. In the second stanza, we have also the same rhyme scheme. I had given my heart and saved some part. Means first line rhymes with the third and a change of mood of a day I had read. Mood and read. Means second line rhymes with the fourth. It means in both the stanza we have similar rhyme scheme, that is AB, AB. Means first line rhymes with the third and the second line rhymes with the fourth. As far as the symbolism is concerned, we can see the use of symbolism in this poetry. The hemlock tree and the crow has been used as a symbol of negative in nature. This is what you can say the symbolic use of the two things, crow and hemlock tree. Let us read some of the questions that is there below the poem. This poem presents a moment that seems simple but has a larger significance. यह कविता क्या करती है? एक साधारण से परिस्थिति की, एक घटना की बात करती है, लेकिन इसका हमारे जीवन में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण प्रभाव पड़ता है, और यही रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट की विशेषता रही है ना। अब प्रश्न है, व्हाट इज ए डस्ट ऑफ स्नो? व्हाट डज द पोएट से? हैज चेंज्ड हिज मूड? हाउ हैज द पोएट्स मूड चेंज्ड? व्हाट इज ए डस्ट ऑफ स्नो? द आंसर इज द डस्ट ऑफ स्नो इज द डस्ट पार्टिकल्स which was there on the branches of the tree. Next question, what does the poet say has changed his mood? It is the falling of dust of snow from the branches of the hemlock tree, which was shaken by the crow, changed the mood of the poet. How has the poet's mood changed? Poet was very sad, and suddenly the snow fell on his body and he found himself in a different mood. In this way, the mood of the poet has changed. Second question, how does Frost present nature in this poem? The following question may help you to think of an answer. What are the words that are usually named in the poem? The word which is named in the poem is crow. Second part, what does the poet, how does the frost represent in this poem? The frost, the Mr. Frost has presented nature as a healing balm for the suffering humanity. ये प्रकृति कैसी है? यदि मानवता दुखी होती है, मानव को कष्ट होता है और वह नेचर के पास जाता है, तो नेचर की ये विशेषता होती है कि उसके दर्द की दवा कर देता। अब यहाँ देखो एक सवाल पूछ रहा है, डू यू थिंक a crow is often mentioned in the poem? No, I do not think that a poet most of the time use crow. Most of the time, poet use the word cuckoo because it is the symbol of sweet singing bird, which has a happy effect on the listeners. What images came to your mind when you think of a crow? When we think of a crow, we have an impact that the very word is the crow is a very cunning word. It is a symbolic name for the cunningness and negativity. Next, again, what is a hemlock tree? A hemlock tree is really a poisonous tree. Why does not the poet write about more beautiful trees such as maple or oak or pine? Really, it is a specialty of Mr. Robert Frost. He has capability to prove that everything that one can find in the nature has a healing impact on humanity. Even the most disastrous situation can make a happiness in the life of a person. यहाँ स्थिति यही है. Hemlock is the symbolism of poison. How can poison help anyone? But the same poisonous tree, hemlock, saved the life of poet from sadness and brings happiness in his life and saved his part of the day. What do the crow and hemlock represent? Joy or sorrow? Both crow and as well as the hemlock tree. Although are the representative of negativity, but here in this poem, these two things brings happiness in the life of the poet. Why does the dust of snow that the crow shakes off a hemlock tree stand for? The dust of snow stands for a condition, a situation, or a moment which can have a healing effect and it can save the life of a person. Have there been times when you felt depressed or hopeless? Have you experienced a similar moment that changed your mood that day? Anyone can have different type of mood in his life. Many times a man who has some problem in his life or some challenges in his life, and when he did not get a proper way to come out from the challenge, he get depressed. But there is a chance for any one of his friend or any one of the situation which can make a sudden change in the mood of the person. In this way, we can say Robert Frost has written the poem Dust of Snow to convey a message to the suffering humanity that there is no need to get depressed, because if we are very close to the nature has an healing impact on us, and the things which seems to be very negative can create happiness in our life. इसी तरह की और सारे पोएम्स को पढ़ने के लिए और 10th के और चैप्टर्स को जानने के लिए देखते रहिए इंग्लिश एडुटेक. थैंक यू.